In this video, I will show you how to transfer playlists from one YouTube account to another. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can just head over right here to your playlist and then just choose which playlist you want to actually share with others. So I have in here this playlist right here. What they can do is they can click on this view full playlist right there. And then as you can see, this will show. So what we can do is we can click right here on this icons right here. We have in here this icons for playlist. Click on this edit playlist, or you can also click on this share option. So what you can do is you can make this unlisted. Click on confirm. And once this is actually unlisted, you can click on this invite collaborators. And then after that, it will show you this collaborate window wherein you can just type in here this people, copy this invitation link and then send it to people that you want to transfer it with, and then once they access it they should be able to show in here.